Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of Java, that is Java 18.0.1 on a Windows operating system. So let's begin. Now to install the latest version of Java, you need to first simply go to your favorite browser and in the address bar just simply search with JDK download, then enter. And you'll be seeing this www.oracle.com is basically our first search result. So just simply click on Java downloads and this is going to redirect you to this official site of Java. And here if you just simply scroll down a bit, you can see that our latest version of Java, that is under Java 18.0.1 is ready to be downloaded. And if you still scroll down a bit, you'll be seeing that it is available for Linux, Mac OS and Windows. So if you want to install Java for Linux, then you need to just simply proceed with this download link, or if you are using Mac operating system, then you need to just simply proceed with this download link. Otherwise, if you are using Windows, then you need to just simply switch to Windows tab, and here you'll be seeing that there are 3 links. From here I am going to download this x64 MSI installer. This MSI basically means Microsoft installer. So just simply click on this download link and it will going to start downloading our Java. Now since I have already downloaded it, I just simply minimize my browser, and if I just simply go to my download directory, you can see that the latest version of Java is already been downloaded over here. Now to install it is very simple. Just simply double click on the installer and it will going to show up this window, that is a Java installation wizard. So let us first minimize our download directory, and here you can see about installation wizard is right there. Just simply click on next. This is going to be our installation destinations, that is the C program files, Java JDK 18.2.1, which is our latest version. So keep this all default. Otherwise you can always change your installation destination by just simply clicking on change button. That also you can do, but I'll be recommending you do not do change anything. Just simply keep this as default and then just simply click on next, and it will go to ask you for administrative privileges. Just simply click on yes, and our installation has rightly started. So this will take some time, maybe a couple of minutes. So what I'll be doing is I'll be coming back right after completion of this process. Yeah, so we'll come back, and now you can clearly see that our Java development kit 18.0.1 for 64-bit operating system has rightly installed. So just simply click on close, and now that our Java has rightly installed, it's time to set our environment variables. So for that you need to just simply click on the search icon, and here just simply search with environ, and you'll be getting this edit the system environment variables. Always remember to click on this one, not in this edit environment variables for your account. So we don't need account, we need edit the system environment variables only. So just simply click on that, and it will going to open this system properties window. Here you need to just simply click on environment variables, and you'll be getting this environment variables window rightly open. In here you need to simply click on this path under system variables. See path, just simply click on that and then just simply click on edit, and you'll be getting this edit environment variables window rightly open, right? And now it's time to set our path over here. So for that just simply you need to go to your C drive, then you need to just simply go inside program files, okay, not program files 886, just program files. Just simply go inside that, and then you'll be seeing this Java folder rightly created over here. So just simply go inside that Java folder, then you'll be getting this JDK 18.0.1 folder. Just simply go inside that folder as well, and then you'll be seeing a bin folder. Again go inside that bin folder, right? And now all you need to do is to just simply clicking on this address bar, then just right click on it and copy. That's it. Now just simply minimize our window, and now here under these environment variables just simply click on new, and then just simply right click on it and paste. That's it. Now just simply click on OK, and see it has rightly added over here. So now it's time to add Java home as well. So for that just simply click on new and give here Java underscore home, and here just again right click on it and paste. But this time remember to delete this bin folder only till JDK 18.2.1. That's it. Now just simply click on OK. Now again OK, and now again OK. And now if we again simply click on the search icon and just simply search with CMD to open our command prompt, you'll be seeing the command prompt that will open. And now if you just simply type over here Java space dash dash version, then enter, you can see the latest version of Java, that is Java 18.2.1, has rightly installed on our machine. So now that you know our Java is rightly installed, I'll show you a simple hello world program and how to run them. So for that, first simply close this command prompt, right click on it, new folder. Let's give a folder name as a Java practice. So I'm going to write a simple program. So giving a folder name as Java practice. Again right click on it, new text document. And here I'm giving the file name as hello world. And I'm going to remove this dot text with Java. Then just simply click on enter. And see our hello world.java file is rightly created. So if you don't able to change this dot text extension, so just simply click on view and then just simply click on show, and here you'll be able to check this file name extensions. So after enabling this, you'll be able to see the extensions over here. Then only you can easily change it to .java or anything else that you want. Okay, so that's the procedure. So now I'll just simply open this Java file in my notepad plus. So class hello world, and then I'm going to create our main method. So public static void main, and it's going to be string args, and I'm going to just simply print hello world. So system.out.println, and I'm going to print hello world over here. So just simply write this much, and then just simply go to file and save. And now you need to go back to your Java practice folder. Just simply click on this address bar and search with CMD, then enter. And you'll be getting our command prompt directly opened over here. And now you need to just simply type Java C, this C for compilation, and then give the file name hello world.java, right? Then just simply hit enter, and you'll be seeing hello world.class rightly created over here. Now you need to run this class. So just simply type Java, then what is the class name? Hello world, Java hello world, then enter, and you can see the hello world is rightly shown in our console. So in this way you can easily install the latest version of Java on Windows operating system. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.